Hi everyone, the recipe I'm going to share with you today is very special, and that is because I have a really personal connection with this preparation. So my mother, Ai, was born and raised in Hyderabad, and she brought this recipe with her when she married my Maharashtrian father. And that is the story of how the Telugu vada pappu became the much loved Moong Dal Koshimbeer in our Pune household. So without further ado, let's make Ai's Moong Dal Koshimbeer. The hero of this recipe is moong dal that we've soaked for an hour, strained and kept ready. Now we're going to mix this in with a few ingredients for which I'm going to need a bowl. So now we're going to add the soaked moong dal into our mixing bowl. Get everything in. We add peanuts. These have been soaked overnight, but you can also soak them in hot water for an hour. Now next we add in the sugar. Now it's important the sugar sits on top of that mound of moong and peanuts, because I believe the hot fodni or tadka that we're going to make now needs to hit the sugar in order for the taste to be truly next level. Now personally, I haven't found a big difference between adding everything in and then adding the sugar and fodni. But hey, if superstars and sports people can have superstitions, so can I. So let's follow what I says and make her superstition a tradition. So now we're going to make the fodni or the tadka. Let's heat up the ghee. Now we're going to add cumin seeds, let them sizzle, and then in go the green chillies. That's it. Our fodni is ready. Quick, pour the sizzling hot fodni onto the sugar. We've mixed in the fodni and now we're adding coconut. Next, in go the grated carrots. Next, we add our seasonal favorite kairi. Now, when kairi isn't in season, just add lime juice. Next, in goes coriander, and finally, salt. Now, toss everything well. Now that the koshimbeer is mixed, let's taste and see if we need to adjust anything. I think it could do with some kairi, so I'm just going to add some more chopped kairi, but otherwise, it's perfect. So here's my additional kairi. I like tasting kairi in every bite. You could also add lime juice with kairi. It adds another type of sourness to it. Totally up to you. So taste, do what tastes right to you. So let me do a final taste check. Perfect. It looks so beautiful. It tastes so fresh. You have to try it. I'm going to start plating it up. And there you have it. Our vada pappu or Moong Dal Koshimbeer is plated and ready to serve. Now this preparation is traditionally made in Telugu homes for Ram Navami. And when you see this preparation, you see how food, festival, seasons are so closely linked. It just feels perfect for summers. I've shared the detailed version of Ai's recipe and I hope you'll try it.